Hey guys, Rural JDM here. Today, I am going to be messing with the Pintara. So, currently, Christmas is just done. It is the 26th of September, so it's Boxing Day. So I'm broke. Got no money to really do anything else. So I figured may as well start ripping apart the Pintara. Yeah, so this is it. This is the beautiful, beautiful being that's not really been taken care of very nicely in the last couple of years. So this car is going to be used as a drift car. It's going to have the Barra in it one day. But first step for a drift car is taking it apart. Try and do as much weight reduction as possible. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. Guess we'll get started and see what we can take out of this thing. I'm not going to lie, I really do miss this car. This car, it's in pretty bad shape at the moment. I have neglected this and I'm kind of like stumped on where to start, to be honest, because I don't know what to take out, what to leave in. Okay, so I'm just taking out all the junk that was just sitting in the car. I'm going to take out the back seats now. And then I think I'm going to get started on the engine bay to see what I can remove. And we'll go from there. Also keep in mind, if you're watching this video and you do own a Pintara or a CA20 engine, I have parts, a lot of them. If you need anything, hit me up and I'm sure I can organise shipping to wherever you are.
Soft, I'm boosted. No time for procrastination. I've been wasting, don't need the excuses. Red lights in my eyes, so they talking shit, I'm blind. Yes, I hold it down, homie. Yes, I hold it
There we go. Some things back here. Ernie? This is the first time I've worked on this car in about two and a bit years, I want to say. It's been a long time. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is where I've been keeping all of my old oil.
I gotta go, but I can't leave because I need a chance to be with you. If only God would answer, I would ask him what to do. Maybe I should kill myself and finally realize the truth. But she's been on my mind, so she's just something that I have to lose.
There we go. Now, if we have a look at the beautiful engine bay at this thing, we've got a half an engine. Might as well get started on dismantling this. Send me a DM on at Rural JDM on Instagram. And I'll organise a price and get something out to you, because I'm not going to need any of these parts. Yesterday, I'm not going to lie, I got pretty tired and I gave up. So, back at it again today. The only thing I'm going to leave in here is the radiator and the fuse box, because everything else is replaceable. The radiator is also replaceable, but I want to know what kind of radiator I'm going to get, so I'm just going to leave that in there. So everything wiring related, not related to the fuse box, is gone. That is what I'm going to have to try and do. I should have just done this yesterday when it was less hot. These fucking lines are so brittle. It's fucked. There we go. Oh. Petrol flying everywhere. Petrol flying everywhere. I have now petrol in my cylinder. I don't think that's supposed to be in there. Ah, there we go. Throttle body for sale. Yeah, sorry, this video is not going to have anything cool like an engine swap happening in it. This is literally just getting it all prepped and ready for when we do that. It's a lot. It's going to be a big process. It's probably going to cost me overall about six grand to get this car drift ready. Which isn't, you know, it's not a terrible price, but it's just hard in this economy. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I was undoing this. Sorry for the disorganization in this video as well. I'm just kind of undoing stuff as I go, not really in any particular order, because if I get stuck on, for example, this hose here, I'm not going to sit there and just have at it for the next 10 years. I'm going to move on to something I can do instead. So I've just undone all this stuff, absolute nest in there. And now I'm just trying to get this sucker out. Jesus. I hate it when car manufacturers use screws for mechanical parts. It just, screws around so easily in comparison to bolts. Okay.
Exempted, man, I've given up. Miles of another trip on miles of start no knocking the messy, the remedy. Only Hennessy, only tripping on my mind like it's Hennessy. Gotta have that patience, it's that virtue. Yeah, I heard her, yeah, I saw her, and she rocking on.
Oh, it's not moving. God. There you go. Oh, yeah, there we go. I had to do some landscaping to get to this bolt. There we go. AC gone. Alright, so there's nothing holding us back between the block and the body. So if I undid those bolts, the block is free to come out, but it is still connected to the transmission. So I'll need to disconnect it from the transmission and then disconnect it from the body, or vice versa. One of them will work. Never done this before, so Now I'm gonna have to disconnect the transmission, because a lot of this weight is this transmission. There we go, starter motor is out. This is extremely annoying. This is taking the biggest brain Josh to do this shit. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. I've currently got it to the point where I can't really do much without a crane or engine hoist.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
Run that shit back!
Alright, so I'd already recorded an outro for this video, but I had an idea. I asked to borrow my dad's tractor, ratchet straps out, and we'll see if we can lift the engine out that way. I'm debating on how to do this. Should we use the backhoe, do you reckon? Good. Up. Yep, you're all good. Yeah, you can just go up. You clear everything. Yeah. Up. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, over there. Next to the bins. Yeah.
The beam to make it live a better life. Last night I saw her, she was with a friend. Don't know about what I'm doing or how I'm in this man. I swear I'll protect you, little baby, and that's to the end. My darkest demon, that's my baby, that's my best friend. Yeah, running a race, but I just can't keep.
Alrighty guys, well, I hope you got as much of that as possible, but the trans is just there. The engine is gone. Yeah, so the next video is going to be taking that out, and then hopefully after that we can finish up on the interior. I'll take the carpet out, might even cut the boot out. Not sure what I'm going to do, still going to figure it out over time. But yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Go dream, let's go dream, let's go. Let's go dream, let's go motherfucking dream. Yeah, for a better life, for a better life.